You remember before we placed an order in this on this account, we had 3,594 followers. You remember vividly, and they are still like this. So all we need to do is for us to refresh. So let's refresh to see if the followers we purchased are already coming in. We draw it down, and as you can see right now, we have the 3,719 followers. Let me show you how you can actually boost your TikTok followers from 0 to thousands of followers within few minutes, right? I'm going to be showing you in this video. All you need to do is just to make sure that you watch this video from beginning to the end. I'm going to be introducing you to this website called growbetter.net. As you can see right here, growbetter.net, so all you need to do is for you to come to this platform, create an account, do the same thing I'm going to be doing in this video, and you'll be able to get these followers, right? The link is in the description. All you need to do is to tap on the link in the description. It will take you to the website, right? So let me show you guys how to do it. So firstly, is for you to come and create an account. If you don't have an account, you just need to create an account first before you start. And how do you create an account? You can see this sign up right here. Can you see this sign up right here? Tap on it. Once you tap on it, it will bring you to this place where you can see username. Put your username, any preferable username you want to use, but make sure you write it together. Do not give space. Come to this place, put your email, create a password right here, confirm your password right here, and boom, come to this I'm not a robot or I'm human right here. Tap on it and allow it to tick, right? So once it tick and come to this sign up right here, boom, click on it and your account is going to be created. Easy peasy, right? So due to because I already have an account, there's no need for me to start creating a new account. So all I need to do right now is for me to actually log in and continue showing you guys how you can actually boost these followers. So right now I'm logged in. As you can see right here, this is exactly how this website look when you log in into your account, right? So basically what I need to do right now is for me to actually boost these followers, is for me to come to this category. Can you see this category right here? Tap on it, and once you tap on it, you can see different services right here. You can see Instagram followers, Instagram like, Facebook followers, and everything. All social media platforms are here, even YouTube, even Twitch, Kick, everything is here. Just come and select preferable social media account you want to boost, and you just boost it and it will go immediately. So let's go to TikTok followers right here. You can see TikTok followers right here. There are several TikTok followers that are actually working very fast right here, but I'm going to be using this particular one. They say TikTok followers 10% drop fast delivery, right? This is the fastest one at the moment, and because I want this follower to reflect in this video immediately. So as I selected it, the next thing is for us to come to this service right here. Can you see this service right here? Tap on it and select your preferable service, and right here you can see this description. Read the description. Description is actually what describes the particular service you're using, right? So right here they say the quality is worldwide profile, and they say start time is instant. So if you place the order, it starts immediately. Right here they say speed is 20k per day, so you can get 20,000 followers a day in this platform. And right here they say refuel is 10 days, and they also say important note: when the service is busy, starting speed of the process may vary. So when the service is busy, the starting speed might delay, but it's still instant. So right here they say do not place second order on the same link before your current one is completed in the system. So if you place an order on a particular link, do not place another order with that link. Just allow the one you did to complete first before you place another one. Right, so right there the root link is where you put your profile link. In case if you don't know how to copy your profile link, let me show you. You just need to come to TikTok right here. Okay, so here is the account we want to actually boost, and as you can see right here, the account has 3,594 followers before we started, right? So when I boost this thing, you will see that it's going to increase. So if you want to copy your link, come to this arrow up here. Can you see this arrow up here? Tap on it, and you can see this copy link right here. Can you see this copy link? Just tap on it, right, and come to this link right here and paste your link, and right here on the quantity put the amount of followers you want. I'm going to be putting only 100, right? And the next you need to do is for you to just come to this submit right here, tap on it. I'm going to be tapping it. As you can see right here, they say your order have been received, which means that the order we place right now has been received. So all we need to do is for us to just exercise patience and wait for this order. They are going to reflect to our account. Easy peasy. But before then, I want you guys to understand that whatever you're doing in this platform is not free. You need to pay money for you to actually get them. So how then do you fund an account in this platform? Easy peasy. So all you need to do is to come to this three line up here. Can you see this three line up here? Tap on it, and you can see by your left hand side, you can see this add fund right here. Can you see this add fund right here? Tap on it, and once you tap on it, the next thing you need to do is for you to come to this dot right here. Can you see this dot right here? Tap on it, and you can see Cora Pay and you can see manual. This is the two payment option in this platform. I'm going to show you guys how to use both of them. So if you want to use Cora Pay, select Cora Pay, then come and put the amount you want to fund in the platform. Click on this pay right here. Once you click on the pay, right? The caller page is going to ask you how would you want to pay with debit card, pay with bank transfer, or pay with card, right? So if you are paying with debit card, you need to select it and you put your card details and click on pay. Or if you want to use bank transfer, select bank transfer, read this instruction right here, click on I understand instruction, click on continue, right? And it's going to load, and Corapay will provide account number, account everything that you need. You don't need to send money to this account number. You can see Sterling Bank, and you don't need to do anything. The thing will automatically rotate, and your balance is going to be reflected on the website. Easy peasy, right? So just in case if you want to use a manual, all you need to do is to come select manual and read the instruction, right? The instruction stated kindly make payment to the account number below. You can see the account number right here. You can see the beneficiary. They say do not send below 1,000 because it's going to be refunded. They say provide proof of payment screenshot with your username so that your payment can be confirmed and completed. So all you need to do is for you to just send them your proof of payments via WhatsApp. You can see this WhatsApp icon right here. Tap on it and it will take you to the WhatsApp. Send proof of payment with your Growbetter username and your payment is going to be completed, right? So this is exactly how to fund an account in this platform. So let's go back to TikTok to see if the followers we purchased is already counting. Okay, so let's go back, right? You remember before we placed an order in this on this account, we had 3,594 followers. You remember vividly, and they are still like this. So all we need to do is for us to refresh. So let's refresh to see if the followers we purchased are already coming in. We draw it down, and as you can see right now, we have the 3,719 followers. You see, easy peasy. These followers have already reflected. You know, when you come to this inbox right here, you know, you can see these followers, new followers, 99 plus, right? If you tap on it, you can see these people just started following us now. You can see 1 minute ago, you can see most of them 1 minute ago, they just started following us instantly. So this is exactly how you can actually boost your followers in 2026 from 0 to any amount that you want. Yeah, you can easily do it in this platform. The link is in the description. Just tap on it, create an account, and do the same thing I just did, right? So thank you for watching this video from beginning to here. You guys are amazing. I love you, and see you in my next video.